Hey there and welcome to the channel. If you're sick of a GoPro deciding what exposure to use in your photos and videos, then you're going to want to check this out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Exposure Lock on your GoPro. It's quick and it's easy, and I'm going to show you how. Just going to put our finger here and just kind of hold it on the screen for a few seconds, and you'll see that square has arrived. Now what that square is, that's locking the exposure. It's now highlighted the ground, so the ground is now the area that's exposed correctly for this bit of footage. To finish it off, you got to make sure you press the tick button there, and now when we go to film our shot, like so, by pressing it's now filming with the correct exposure on the ground, because that was the area that we selected earlier. This time we want to lock the exposure on the sky. This is great for things like sunrises and sunsets. So what we'll do, we'll put our finger on the screen, and we'll hold it up there. Great, and then we're going to press quickly on the tick down the bottom. And now, as you can see, it's actually locked the settings for the sky. Exposure lock is such a simple and easy thing to use, but it can definitely make a big difference when you're filming. Hey, hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button for more great GoPro oriented videos just like this one. And now, just like we did with the video before, we are just going to put our finger down and hold it on the screen of the area that we want to lock. See the squares there, we can move it around. We double tap that, so you can see there's a lock symbol there, all highlighted, and you must always remember to press on the tick at the end. If you see now that I've double tapped, we have the lock symbol like we did before. If you want to learn how to get the most out of using your GoPro Hero, then you're going to want to click on this video over here next. Just like this one here, it is jam-packed full of great tips and tricks, reviews and ideas on the wonderful contraption that is called the GoPro Hero. As usual, thanks for your company, and until next time, I will see you later.